Good morning, children. I hope you are practicing exercise 8A. Is there any doubt you ask? Now going to start our next topic. Profit loss. Some formulas are there, children. You can follow the formula, but don't learn like a parrot. Okay? You have to understand the concept by unitary method. In some questions you have to apply unitary method. Okay, but don't learn the formula learn, but you need to use your brain first. Okay, there are the two method. I will suggest you better you will do by without formula. If formula is needed, then only apply, but try to solve without formula. But I am giving you some formulas. See here. First, when you have to find out selling price when profit percent given, gain percent, profit percent, same 100 plus gain percent divided by 100 into cost price. When cost price given, gain given, you can use this formula to find selling price. Okay, when loss given, in the case of loss, selling price you have to find out. Selling price equal to 100 minus loss by 100 into CP. Okay, when you have to find the cost price equal to 100 by 100 plus P percent into SP. Okay, in this formula you can use cost price. When loss given, just you do subtract. Okay, some questions. See here, suppose this question: Ram sells an article for rupees 360 at a gain of 20%. Find its cost price. So we don't know the cost price, children. You can let the cost price of the article be rupees 100 मान के भी चल सकते हो और x मान के भी चल सकते हो. It's better you will let x, or if you want to let 100 also, no problem. So let the cost price of the article is rupees 100. Okay, gain percent given 20%. So 20% of how much? 20% किसका? 20% cost price का. Cost price आपने 100 माना है, x भी मान के चल सकते हो, no problem. So 20% of CP, that is 100, that is rupees 20. Now selling price, you know, selling price equal to profit plus cost price. You all know the formula. Selling price equal to profit plus CP, that is 120. When selling price is 120, then cost price is equal to 100. SP we know SP, we know CP. अब SP और CP पता है तो क्या करेंगे? When selling price is rupees 1, तो क्या होगा? This is a unitary method. When selling price is 1, rupees 1, यहाँ 120 है, अगर 1 रुपया हो तो क्या करोगे? 100 divided by 120, जैसे हम लोग बना चुके हैं unitary method में in earlier classes in 7 standard. Now you have to find the when selling price is 360, because here given already Ram sells an article for 360. So when selling price is 360, then 100 by 20 into 360. Easy, children, that is rupees 300. Or in alternative method you use formula. Gain percent is 20, just put in formula 100 plus 20, that is selling price is given 360. You can get cost price equal to 300. But you use without formula, children, because without formula the concept is more clear. But you learn formula also, no problem, you can do by formula also, but the main thing to understand the concept. If you don't know the concept, if you will learn like a parrot, that would be not good for you. Okay, now it is clear to you. Next, some examples already solved. You do yourself all the examples question. Now let's start exercise 8B. 8B, one number, I think it is easy. Selling price you have to find out. It is easy. This is also easy. 3-1 also you can do it, no problem. Let's solve 4 number. Same one, let's solve. This also almost same. By selling an article for rupees 704, a person loses 12%. Find his cost price and the loss. See, children, I have solved without formula and formula both. How you will solve this question? Selling price of an article rupees 704. So write down here selling price of article rupees 704. L percent, that means loss percent is given 12%. Okay. To find, what you have to find? Loss and CP. You have to find loss and CP. So we don't know the cost price. Without cost price, how you will find the loss, children? So first you let the cost price be rupees X. You can let 100 also, but I am habituated to let X. That is why I am solving this type. Okay, you do also this in this manner, no problem. Let the cost price be rupees X. Selling price of article we know rupees 704. Loss equal to 12% of X. लॉस परसेंट दिया हुआ है तो लॉस तो निकालना होगा ना, कितना परसेंट, तो कितना परसेंट, तो कॉस्ट प्राइस को इंटू करोगे 12% ऑफ एक्स, दैट इज 12/100 इंटू एक्स. यू नो द फार्मूला, सेलिंग प्राइस इक्वल टू सीपी माइनस लॉस. ओके, तो सेलिंग प्राइस वी नो 704, कॉस्ट प्राइस एक्स and loss is 12x by 100. You can solve by taking LCM. Okay, 100 minus 12x, that is you can get 88x by 100 equal to 704. Just do divide up and down, you can get the value of x, that is value of x is 16 into 50, that is 800 rupees. Okay, divide up and down, numerator and denominator, you will get 800. So cost price is rupees 800, selling price is 704. So you can find out loss, children. Loss equal to CP minus SP. 800 minus 704, that is rupees 96. Isn't it easy, children? So this rule always follow. Now with formula, alternative method, cost price you have to find out 100 by 100 minus loss into SP. Directly use formula, you can solve it by formula also. 100 by 100 minus 12 into 704. Up and down cut, numerator and denominator divide, you can get cost price equal to rupees 800. Okay, so loss equal to CP minus SP, that is 96. Okay, now next question. Which number? 12 number. John sold an article to Peter, 20% profit, 20% profit, and Peter sold it to Mohan at 5% loss. If Mohan paid rupees 912 for the article, find how much did John pay for it. How you will solve? First you write down John paid for the article is rupees 912. So Peter sold the article to Mohan. So for Peter you have to find out. So for Peter equal to selling price equal to rupees 912 and loss is given 5%. In this you can use formula, no problem. Selling cost price equal to 100 by 100 minus loss into this. You can divide it, you will get rupees 960. Now John sold the same article to Peter. So for John you have to find out selling price is 960. Now this is for John selling price. Okay, and profit percent is 20% given. So put in formula. In some questions, children, long questions, you can use formula. Okay, or without formula also you can do, no problem. So 100 by 100 plus 20 into 960, divide it, you will get rupees 800. Okay, so in this manner you can solve all the questions 8B up to 8C solved, children. Is there any doubt in 8B or 8C? You can ask later. Okay, in 8B I have solved 2 questions, 4 number. Just see this question, 4 number. What is a 4 number? The cost price of 20 article is same as the selling price of 16 article. Find the gain percent. Okay, so see here what is written. Cost price of 20 article is same as the selling price of 16 article. Got it? So let cost price of one article is rupees 1. मान लो एक आर्टिकल का 1 रुपया दाम है, ठीक है. तो cost price of 20 article is equal to rupees 20. Again it is for unitary method type, you can solve. And cost price of 16 article is rupees 20. होगा ना, क्योंकि दोनों सेम है. Cost price of 20 article equal to selling price of 16 article. Got it? So cost price of 16 article is rupees 20. Now selling price of 16 article equal to cost price of 20 article. So profit equal to 20 minus 16, that is rupees 4. The profit percent 4 by 16 into 100, that is 25%. Get it, children? So in this manner you can solve it. Isn't it easy? Now next question, which number? I hope this all question you can solve easily. If you are unable to do, ask later. Now this C number, 9 number. Raju sells a watch at 5% profit. Had he sold for rupees 24 more, he would have gained 11%. Find the cost price of the watch. So we don't know cost price, so let cost price be X, or let the cost price of watch be rupees 100. So when profit is given 5%, then selling price equal to 100 plus 5, that is 105. And when profit is 11% given, selling price equal to 100 plus 11, that is 111. So difference of two selling price equal to 111 minus 105, that is rupees 6. Okay, two selling price difference is rupees 6. So when watch sold for rupees 6 more, then cost price of the watch equal to rupees 100. And when watch sold for rupees 1 more, then cost price equal to 1 रुपया अगर लेके चलेंगे तो क्या होगा 100 divided by 6, unitary method. When watch sold for rupees 24, then cost price equal to 100 by 6 into 24, that is rupees 400. Okay children, so in this manner you have to solve. So many questions are there, and different questions use different way. So that is why some questions I have solved for you. Now you can solve it. Okay.